Hi, today we're going to look at Termux app, which is an Android terminal emulator and a Linux environment app for your Android mobile. So this doesn't require any routing or any setup. So we just go to F-Droid or GitHub and download like any typical Android app. So let's go to F-Droid. From F-Droid, I already downloaded F-Droid. So I go to F-Droid, then search for Termux. Alright, so this one, Termux emulator with packages. Okay, let's install this. Okay. Once this is installed, we just need to open it and we get Termux. So this is how Termux window will look. So we can use this like any other Linux terminal or any of your web server terminal. So let's have a look at some of the options. So by default it comes with this keys, escape / control alt home and page up, page down. So we can look for the current window. There's nothing there, so let's look at the working directory. And this is the working directory. We can also use commands like top, and we can also install some of the applications, like for example, so this has something called as a pkg package. So with using pkg command, we can do auto clean, install, list all, list installed, search of any of the packages. Like for example, let's pkg search cmatrix. So it's going to search for cmatrix package, and it says okay, cmatrix 2.0 is available, so I can install this using pkg install cmatrix. So I can clear the screen by control L, and I can run cmatrix, and you know what it is going to show. It's going to give us a matrix kind of a screen cover. So let's press Q and we can install other applications like pkg install git curl wget and sl. Hit enter. So now it's going to install the git, curl, wget, and so default is n. Okay, now it has installed all those four. So I installed SL, so you know LS is list, SL is the beautiful train. That's how you use Termux. Thank you.